Welcome. In this video we will learn about methods and operations in Python. Methods that add items or remove items are not available with tuple. Only the following two methods are available. Tuple operations for handling different operations. Let's do these things by practically. There are two types of methods in tuples: count and index. Count returns the number of times the values is present. Index returns the index of the element. I have declared one tuple called my underscore tuple and values are a, p, p, l, e. Now print those tuple values. Now let's count the number of times the p value exists in my tuple. You can see once I pass the parameter, I can see that it is printing that twice it exists. Now let's discuss about finding the indexing. I have my tuple already, so let's find the index of L. It's printing third index. Now discuss about the tuple membership test. We can test if an item exists in tuple or not using the keyword in. Print my earlier tuple. Let's check for item A exists in my underscore tuple, printing the true value because the item present in it. Check for B, it's not present, then it will display false. We can use not in also for finding our element. Once I use the not in for finding B value, it's already not present in my tuple, so true will be printed. Now discuss about iterating through a tuple. Using a for loop, we can iterate through each time in a tuple. Now declare one loop and values are Amit and Hudar. Let's print my tuple values one by one. You can see that it is printed both the values here. Lastly, find the sum function and used in the tuple. Declare one as tuple and values are 1, 2, 3. Let's find the sum of all values in the tuple. Create one object called sum and call sum function with argument as tuple. You can see that it printed 6 as my sum is 6. The sum function is successfully worked and there are a number of built-in functions. You can use it. That's it in this video on tuple methods and operation. Thank you for watching this video.